Alright guys, serious problem on this Honda Accord. This is a 2004 model, has 70 some thousand miles on it, under 80,000 miles. And the problem is, check engine light came on, the car acted weird, almost stalled, shut down, all kinds of stuff. Everything on this car, the VTEC located back over here. That's a VTEC all the way down here, right here. This connector is a VTEC. No oil. Everything's gonna go crazy, all right? The engine timing, everything's gonna go crazy. So if you're doing 80 mile per hour cruising on the highway and you have no oil and you rev it, it's gonna stall. It's probably gonna shut down on you, all right? Serious problem. Check your oil, guys, all right? That's how simple it is, all right? It's probably burning oil or leaking oil. I'm sure it's burning, but let me set up my camera. We're gonna pop out that dipstick and see what the oil look like in this car. Guys, got my camera set up right here. Let me move it up a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is grab a little piece of paper. We're gonna pull out this dipstick. We're gonna clean this little guy. I'm gonna push this back in. And let's see what kind of reading we got. Hardly any oil on this car, right? It's below a minimum. Of course, it's gonna lose pressure and it's gonna try to stall. The VTEC is not gonna work because it works off oil pressure, right? So that's the serious problem. Check your oil. All right, so what we'll do is on this car, I'm gonna be doing simple oil change. That should take care of the check engine. If your mechanic is good and honest, he's not gonna go crazy. All right, he's not gonna charge you too much. And if he does charge you all kinds of, like $1,000, he's not being honest with you, all right? So check your own oil to save you some money, all right? All right, guys, I'm underneath the car. That's not too much of an oil leak here. It couldn't have disappeared all for almost like a 3.5 quarts of oil. But I'm gonna drain this guy, all right? And I'm gonna just do a simple oil change. And that should take care of the issue, all right? So this lady must have not changed the oil, so this oil looks very bad. All right, so just do your oil change. It should take care of the problem. Also up there, right back there, you have the filter, the thing right in the center of the screen right now. That's an oil filter. And then put 4.5 quarts of oil in this car. All right, guys, drain the oil. I removed the oil filter from up there, and here's the filter in here. Here's the new filter, guys, right here. Make sure you put a little bit of oil in here, put this in, and wipe off the excessive oil. And that's it, guys. And save yourself a couple of $1,000 before you replace the VTEC, all kinds of stuff. All right, it was given the codes for VTEC, which I did not scan, but I know the problem already, all right, because I drove the car. Anyways, the filter number is this. If you're using per liter, 4610, all right, or 4612 will work also. 4612 will be shorter up to where my thumb is, all right. So it'll be from here to here. Got the filter change swapped. We're gonna put the oil right through there. I'm not gonna be showing you, but the number is 5W20. So you're gonna take synthetic oil, 5W20. I have 5 bottles here. I'm gonna put 4, and one I'm gonna be putting half, and that's it. After that, close up your cap, and that's it, guys. The serious problem is not that serious. It all depends on the mechanic you have. Is he gonna make it so serious? All right. So guys, check your own oil if you need to, and that should save you some money and a lot of headaches. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.